So let us continue with our lesson, and we have our task list ready, and also we have set it to the descending order. And the next step is let's go and add some formatting to our task. Let's say we change some formatting it to the bold, and let's add some color to the right hand side over here. So based on the status of our task, we should change the color of this task. So let's go back to our project over here. And first of all, let's try to put some, like, let's say right hand side, left hand side, let's give a 8, and this one also we will give to 8 some, and this one also to let's give a 8. And let's try to change for the title. Let's add a bold. So for the text size is 14, and text style, let's give a bit of a bold, and that should be a bold. And let's add a colors to the right hand side. So for that, let me add a text view over here, and this text view, let me constrain it to the right hand side, and top and to the top and bottom. And let's go over and change the height of this one to match the constraint. And instead of 8, I'll change to 0 on the right. So we have set the text view, and let's say this one as a status color, and let's change the color for this one. So I'm going to change the background color. So let's go somewhere over here. It should be background color. Okay, so let's change the background color to something like dark pink. Okay, so we have a color, and let's change the width. So width, we want to make it as let's say 25 dp. So bit 25 dp, that should be fine. And let's remove the text. We don't need a text for now. Okay, let's look better. And let's constrain this one. So the title to somewhere. So let's remove the constraint from the right first. So let's constrain this one to the end of this text view. So it should be of the end, or okay, start of the color. And let's what I did, so I think let's remove to 0. Okay, that should be fine. And for this one too, so what I need to do is I need to remove the constraint, and that should be constraint here, and it should constrain to here, and not the 0. Let's give a 0. And for this one too, let me remove the constraint, and let's add a constraint over here, and let's say to the okay start, and let's say of the 0. So we have the text view, and this one we change to 8. Okay, so that should look fine for now. And we have changed some of the properties over here, and let's try to run our application, and let's see whether we have any error over here. So let me try to run the application. Okay, so the build is successful, and let's try to launch our application. Okay, so we have a better looking now on our task list. So we have a bold over here, and we also have added a color to our right hand side. So that's look better for now. And next step, what we need to do is this color we need to change based on the status of the current task. So for the started, we will change to some different color, and for the pending and also for completed, we will change to a different color. So for now, I think it's look fine. So let's meet up in the next lecture, and in the next lecture we'll go and configure this view to a different color depending on our status. So let's meet up in our next lecture. Till then, have a great day.